Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be talking about how to use Binance to buy and sell cryptocurrency. For a quick one, this channel is not giving out financial advice. Rather, everything on this channel is for educational purposes. So going down to Binance, I believe we can install and verify our Binance. I'll leave a link in the description to download Binance and verify your Binance. Now, going back, let's click on Binance. Now, at first, you see the home page. This is the home page of Binance. Now, I'll be taking you around how to use this app. First thing first is to check on your market. Now you are on sports market. So you can see from the beginning let's click on it. It's BNB. Now the reason it's showing BNB is because you can buy any of these coins boldly written with white using your BNB. Same thing with BTC, same thing with altcoins, and same thing with USDT. I'll be going mainly into USDT because it's a cryptocurrency coin pegged to the dollar. So one USDT is same thing as one US dollar, and is the most widely used currency used for doing transaction on Binance. So let's say I want to buy a cryptocurrency. I'll click on the cryptocurrency. You can see so many green and red lines, or we call them candlesticks. You can see so many of the candlesticks. Some are red, some are green. Now the red signifies sellers in the market, while the green signifies buyers in the market. The reds, they are called the bear, and the green are called the bulls. So if you place an order or you buy a cryptocurrency, you'll be among this green candlestick. But if you place a sell order or you sell, you'll be among the red candlestick. So you can see buy in green and sell in red. So let's see, I want to buy. I click on buy. Now it takes me to the next page, which is the trade page. Now there's two things I need to make clear here. When buying cryptocurrencies on Binance, you can either choose from limit order to market order to stop limit to OCO. But for this video's sake, we'll be taking just two, which is the limit and the market. So the limit is basically, let's say an orange is sold for 15 naira, but I want to buy the orange at 14 naira. So I'll place my order at 14 naira, giving the seller, let me say I want to buy 5, that's 5 times 14 naira, that's 200 naira. I'm giving the seller 200 naira. So anytime orange falls down to 14 naira, I'll be having 5 oranges. That's how the limit works. So you can see this price 0.564. I can adjust. So let's say I reduce it down to 0.3, meaning I'll be buying this particular cryptocurrency at $0.3. Now moving forward, then I'll have to input how much of USDT I want to use to buy this particular cryptocurrency. Let's say I have USDT of $20. I'll be buying 66 of this particular cryptocurrency at 0.3 per 1. Now the minimum amount you can use on Binance is $10. standard, which is around 6.5 or so thereabouts naira. But let's say I want to use the market order. I'll place on market. Now I am buying at the exact price of the market. Let's say I want to buy with $20. Now you didn't see any amount, you didn't see anything, you only see my 20 and market. Now when I press buy, I will automatically buy direct from the present or the most suitable seller. So I'll be buying 20 USDT worth of this present cryptocurrency. Now same thing applies to the sell. Let me click on sell. I also have my limit, my market stop limit, and OCUs. So my sell, when I use my limits, now I want to sell when my cryptocurrency has grown. Let me say it's presently at 0.5656. Now I want to sell when it has 0.7. Now 0.7, then I want to sell 20 of this particular cryptocurrency. So I'll be selling them at 14 US dollar at 0.7 per one. Now the reason I'm using limits to sell is because maybe I went out and the market just flashed to 0.7. Automatically I've already sold this particular cryptocurrency without me going here and start pressing or you sell or you do this. No, I automatically sell this particular cryptocurrency. Very simple and very fast. So the same thing for market. So that means I'm selling at this exact market price. So I'm selling at this exact market price. So going forward, as a beginner, please don't trade futures. Futures are very volatile and they are very risky. So let's move forward to wallet. Now your wallet holds every cryptocurrency tokens and coins you've bought from your sports trading. So when you click on spot, you see every cryptocurrencies you've got. Now you can see BNB and NFT as Ape NFTs. These are the cryptocurrency presently in my wallet. Now, how do you buy USDT? How do you buy USDT? Now you can see deposits in Naira and you can see P2P trading. Depositing Naira won't work because CBN has regulated our transaction with Binance and other cryptocurrency exchanges. So what we use P2P. When you click on P2P, you see buy and say this is the buy and this is the sell. So assuming we want to buy, click on buy, and these are all sellers that you can buy from, but depends on the amount we want to buy. Let's say I want to buy a coin worth a $10 USDT. Remember, the lowest money you can trade with on Binance is $10, but you can buy as low as $0.1, but you can't trade with it unless it gets up to 10 USD. So let's say I want to buy 10 USD, and 10 USD is trading around 8,000 naira to 38,000 as seen here. So I can click here. Well, let me say I want to buy 10 USDT, which is around 6,800. Okay, this is 11.85 USDT. Okay, let's say I'm buying 6,800 naira worth of USDT, which is 11.85 USDT. Now buy with zero fee. I'll click on buy with zero fee. Now it will take me down to the next page, which is presently on my screen. Now you can see something like chat. I click on this chat. You good? You see the seller said is active. When you place your buy or order, you're going to receive your USDT within 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes then even up to 2-3 minutes. So go back, you go to make payment. Now you have to make payment to this bank name, to this account number. Then you click on transfer. Then after you have made payment, you click on transfer. Make payment before clicking on the transfer, so the seller will get the alert and everything needed, so he will release the USDT to you. So that's how you buy USDT. So that's how you buy USDT. Good. So that's everything we need to know on the Binance exchange.